All right, hey guys, Steve here. I'm back. So on this last video, I know I kind of started this video or started this subject on the last video, but I realized I was about to go long. So on this video, I want to show you a little bit about, like I said, we went over the high level of now you know that traffic gets driven to your capture page, which is your My Income Funnel capture page, or the independent systems here to these capture pages, right? You can drive traffic independently to these different systems and promote those individually, or maximize your efforts and drive it to one funnel promoting all 4 income streams. And that's what the multiple income funnel is, okay? So if you happen to quit the multiple income funnel, I can tell you this: if you already purchased these two, these are yours for life, okay? Easy One Up and Text.ai. So anyway, with that out of the way, we already touched on some of the emails that you get as part of the autoresponder. They automatically follow up for you, but you should do the in addition to work, the pursuing excellence type of work, on your own. So let the system do its thing, but you do your thing too and promote to those same leads, right? They're your leads. What I've learned is they either buy, they die, or they unsubscribe. So you need to keep following up. Eventually, if they don't like it, they will unsubscribe off your list. Or if they like it, they'll eventually buy one day, right? So that's the way that works. The next thing is we went over the capture, the video sales letter, which is your first income stream, right? And then we went on to second, Easy One Up, third, Text.ai, fourth, which is the fuel for your business, which is your traffic source. And like I said, you're on my team. We can always supply you with additional traffic sources on top of. I have to say it again, and I'll show you again that whatever you do, you just make sure you only buy or only sign up. You only purchase with what you can afford. You sign up for free for all of them, but you only spend the money on what you can afford. And eventually I'll do a video to clearly break down a plan or a couple different options. But here's a simple option that you can just do. You definitely want to come in at the first level, whether it's yearly or monthly. You want to come in at the second income stream because that's where a lot of people are making their money. And then on the fourth income stream is where a lot of people are also making their money with recurring traffic purchases from their downline. And eventually that becomes high ticket, okay? And there's other things in that, but I'll make another video for that because I can make videos all day, right? So anyway, we're on income stream number 5, which is also optional. And it is for the My Lead Gen Secret, which you get 100 leads per day for $1 a day, basically, which can turn into 200 leads a day if you get someone to sign up, because you're also an affiliate of that. And like I said in the last video, there's also ways that I'll tell my team on how to maximize their efforts using the My Lead Gen Secret. So, but I'll save that for the personal conversations that we have between our team. So where we go at now is the My Lead Gen Secret. So that's income stream number 5. Oh, real quick, let's touch base on the bonuses that I offer. The bonuses that I offer are for income stream number 1 and income stream number 2, right? You come in at the monthly and the Elevation Elite, you get all of these electronics. You come in at the yearly and at any level, Elevation Elite and above, and you get these in addition to the electronics. Now, like I said, when you're on my team, if you need incentives to help promote your offer to different people, just ask me. I'll give you the incentives that you can use to help promote your business, because that's what we do. My success is pegged to you, and we can crush this together. So as I'm going, let's jump back over to this real quick, and let's go to the My Lead Gen Secret. So here's the My Lead Gen Secret platform. It is a you get 100 leads a day. These are leads that opted in to a page to give permission. These are permission-based leads, right? Co-registration leads, which basically means that they, let's pull it up. Let's see, registration. Let's look up the official definition, right? Because we're all about that. Co-registration leads. Co-reg leads is a little-known method of generating highly qualified and targeted leads on a pay-per-lead basis. Co-reg leads are obtained by presenting your company's offer to consumers who are completing an online survey, usually through incentivizing the traffic, right? What do you need to know about co-registration leads? What exactly are co-registration leads? They are email addresses of people who have signed up to get more information about your products or services as part of the sign up or purchase process at another website or through another company. These are the most valuable leads you can ever get your hands on. So that's what my lead gen secret leads are. Now let's go back to that and let's do something pretty cool, right? Let's do something pretty cool, right? So let's scroll down here. It says, it gives you a little information about the leads, right? A little bit about the creator's background. Tells you a little bit about what he's trying to do and how he wants to help you and how affordable the leads are, right? He breaks down what a funnel is. You get 1,000 leads in, 100 leads become prospects, which sign up to your offer, which is my income funnel offer. And then eventually they buy. So out of 1,000 leads, you sift that down to 100 prospects, right? You sift that down to 10 sales or 10 customers. That's how that works, right? And so with this program, you can get 100 leads a day or 200, and it comes out to high quality leads for 5 or 10 cents, which is awesome, right? So it gives you a little breakdown about how this works. But these are co-registration leads, and I'm trying to find where it says that, because that's what you really want to see, especially after I just read that definition, right? Leads who request more information are literally saying, so these leads, again, it says, so how can they request more information? So let's start here. The answer is it depends on sharing leads without their permission is a violation, which of course, what I'm not implying today. Rather, there's a 100% legal loophole that only the smartest marketers use. They're called permission-based leads, right? So that's what they are. We get their permission to advertise to them. Here's how it works. When a new lead enters the funnel, they have the option to request or deny more information, which they do. They're like co-registration leads. If they say yes, then it's legal to send them promotions. In fact, it's a disservice if you don't, because they check yes, right? They're literally telling you, send me more things to buy, okay? So that's what these leads are. You just got to give them the right offer, right? So how can they request more info? All they have to do is click a small box, and they do that. They come onto the list, and voila, you have my lead gen secret. Okay, so we won't bore you with any other details. I want to show you the back office real quick. So as you come into here, you log in, you create a free, create a free account, right? So, and I'm telling you, wink, wink, create your free account. Then we can decide what you need to invest your money in order to maximize your potential, right? You want to do what's good for your pocket, what's good for your family, and what's good for your business. So, you need to jot all of this down and really, really consider what are the primary things you need to put your investment in. And we already established that the multiple income funnel, stream number 1, stream number 2, and stream number 4 are your primary places to do your investments at, okay? At a reasonable price. And that's all we'll say there. So as you can see, I get 200 leads a day because I have a couple affiliates under me, which guarantees me getting 200 leads a day. You basically get different stats and different numbers on your email sendings. Here's my leads list. I've been getting 200 leads a day. Like I said, I started back in 2019. I started back in 2019, but I kept all my leads. I stopped in, I'll be honest, totally transparent. I stopped in June 24th of 2020, and I restarted back up in July 15th. So that's to be totally transparent with you. And as you can see, on July 20th, I started getting 200 leads again. So, and here's your email master swipes, which you can opt in to get. Make sure you reach out to me, and I'll tell you a little secret about how to get that. Here's your email autoresponder, which you're allowed to email once, all your leads once a day. As soon as you signed up, you get 100 leads that day, and you can actually click send on an email that day. So here's your leads list. Right now, I have a total of, what did I say before? 38,500 leads that I can email out with one click of the button. You can easily upload an email by hitting load out of a whole drop list of emails here. You can add pictures. You can do all kinds of stuff here. This is basic format. As you can see, I got 15 hours into my next mailing. This is perfect timing. If you click that, here's what it says here. It tells you that it'll just send them the email when they originally had opted in. So that must be the perfect time, right? Here's a video that shows you how to use this emailer. I highly recommend everybody watch it. It's 30 minutes, but it tells you the in and outs. It tells you also how to get different swipes, how to do different things, okay, using this platform. Now, I will say that how you add images is this. You click this image button, right? First. You click that image button. You got to put a URL of an image. So the program that I use to add my images is called Imgur, IMGUR, right? And I'll put a link in the description box below so you can click on that and just sign up. It's free, and you can upload your images and use them, right? So basically what you do here is you would add your images to this platform. And this is also my secret source of getting different posts and different memes that I can use to promote my business. So basically you click images. So these background, you can use these pictures, download them and put them up on different social media platforms. But you go to images, right? And what you would do is you would hit add image and you would have your image added. So it's like, say if you wanted to add your picture, you would upload your image, and then you come here to direct link, you hit copy, and then you would come over back to my lead gen secret, and you would make sure you click this button here, you would put that here, you would paste that, and guess what? You hit OK, and it adds your picture. You double click it, and you minimize the size, right? And you hit OK, and boom, there's your picture, right? And you can minimize it again, and just make the adjustments, 158. You know, and you can make it however you want to. And that's how you add a picture, right? You can't directly just load it to it. You have to use a program like Imgur or whatever. But like I said, this video right here, this Mailing System 101 will walk you through everything you need to know and even tell you where to get swipe files at. And actually, I'll mention that real quick. So let's wrap this up. So that's how you do your mailing. This page right here is your stats page, which shows you your different statistics on your emailings, how many clicks you get, how many opens you get. It's not accurate, so don't even waste your time trying to figure out the numbers, because I can tell you this. I want to show you real. It says I got 3 clicks for 731 on this email, right? So let me just show you. I can go to and log into my income funnel because I thought it was so funny. So I come here to my leads, and let me pop this up here. So as you can see, I at least got 1 click here. Oops. I at least got 1 click right here from my email that I sent on the 31st. And then it records all of these other emails here. But the point is that it's not accurate, so I wouldn't even waste my time trying to figure that out. Okay, so just don't do it. The next screen is your affiliates page, and it shows your commissions, and it also shows your downline. So I'm not going to go on there because I'm not going to show the sensitive information, but it gives you different web pages to promote. Now, one of them is pretty slick. So this is your main page with your affiliate number, but this page right here, I want to show you this. This is a shareable page that you can promote on the side just to different people when you want to send them information, and it's shareable, right? It just gives a video of someone's success on how they made over $15,000. It gives them 2 buttons if they want to join MLGS, and if they want to just get this page to promote it, which is pretty slick. It gives a nice little rundown of the commissions. Like I said, level 1 makes $5 a month per person. Level 2, which means your affiliate, your referral makes $4, gives you $4 a month. Then your referral referral gives you 3, then your referral gives you 2, then your referral gives you 1. So that's how that works, but that's all in here too. So, and like I said, it's $30 a month or $1 a day. So that's that page, that's the affiliate page, and all of that's broken down here. Also, as a regular affiliate, you get access to, I believe, all of these emails. I think it's, what is it? It is 10 basic emails, and if you upgrade, you get an additional 30. So that's just what it is. Then the last page is really not important. It just shows you other recommended things. But what I want to show you here is the Facebook group for the My Lead Gen Secret, because like I said, all of them have Facebook groups that give you additional support, additional training that I highly suggest my lead right here, My Lead Gen Secret. It's called My Lead Gen Secret Success. And there's 4,900 people in here, but I highly recommend you sign up for this group too. As you can see, it's highly active. You have Nelson here who made $331 total paid out. And you can request that $30, as you can see here. You got Paul Rice who made $30. You have, here's again, what are the swipes, the free ones they provide. Rob 4, he's been making a killing since he started, and he's made over a couple thousand, $10,000 or whatever in this group. So this group is very active. They also do lead swaps. They also have different things in the back office here. I just want to show you announcements here. Here's where you can trade in your leads and do lead swaps. Oh, it didn't kick in. Right here. Here's the lead swaps, right? Where you download your leads from My Lead Secret here, right? You cannot upload these to your own autoresponder, so don't do it. They'll shut you down as soon as you try. But you can download these leads here, turn them into here on the lead swap on Fridays. They clean them and give them back to you, but they share them with everybody. There's also a way that you can build your own autoresponder. They walk you through. They help you set it up. There's also a separate training for My Lead Gen Secret, and it's a couple different courses that shows you how to set up your own responder, shows you how to promote it, gives you done-for-you email swaps, gives you rebrandable PDFs that you can use for promotions, and just shows you different things on how to promote and be successful in the My Lead Gen Secret platform. So anyway, that is the 5th income stream, and that's all I want to talk about. But just real quick, in the back office, MIF, of course, you go to MIF in the back office. Oops, showed too much information there. This is where you would plug in your affiliate ID, just the ID portion from the My Lead Gen Secret, plug it right in there, and you're golden, right? So that's how you set all of that up, and then you're ready to promote your business, right? And how you do that is you grab that link, like I said, one of these links, and you start promoting it. Preferably the capture page, so that any lead coming in can be directed to where? They come in through your capture page, right? What the heck? My whole, let me see if I got it. Yeah, they would come, they would come in through your capture page. Why did they disappear? Yeah, my pages are acting up, so I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I'm not sure what that is. They come in through your capture page here. The traffic comes through your capture page, your My Lead Gen Secret, and they automatically get put on your MIF email autoresponder. They get put through the funnel, and if they buy, they buy. If they don't, move on to the next. That's it. So that's as simple as the system is. Any questions, reach out. The next few videos are just going to be bonus videos that show you a little bit more about the system and just a little bit more strategies and tips on how to make your MIF funnel, your MIF business more successful. But anyway, that's all I got. I'm out.